children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class, in second chapter exercise 2.2 we have completed first bit, second, third, fourth, up to 4 bits we have completed. See here. First, second, third, 4 bits we have completed. Now fifth bit. Find the product using suitable properties. Fifth question. Find the product using suitable properties. First question is 205 into 1989. We have to multiply these two. 1889 into 205. You know multiplications already. Now multiply. 5 nines are 45. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Next, you have to multiply with 0. 0 nines are 0. 0 eights are 0. 0 nines are 0. 0 ones are 0. Into, next you have to multiply with 9. 2 nines are 18. 2 eights are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now add 5 as it is. 4 plus 0, 4 only. Multiplicative identity. So additive identity already we have learned. 0 is called additive identity. If we add 0 to any number, you will get same number as answer. 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 7 here, 1 becomes carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 1 here, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 becomes carry, 3 plus 1, 4. So it is 4,07,745. Simply you have to multiply and you have to write the answer. Next, in fifth bit you have more one problem, that is your homework. You have to complete that. Next, sixth question. A milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening in a hostel. If the milk costs rupees 30 per liter, how much money he gets per day? Have you understood the question? A milk vendor means palamme vadnana. A milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. If the milk costs rupees 30 per liter, how much money he gets per day? Have you understood the question? Milk vendor means palammevadu. Oka palamme atanu podduna he supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. For one hostel he supplies, at morning he is supplying 56 liters of milk, at evening he is supplying 44 liters of milk. So morning 56 liters, evening 44 liters. Total 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 becomes carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4. Total daily he is supplying 100 liters of milk to a hostel in the evening and morning. Then if the milk costs rupees 30 per liter, then the cost of 1 liter milk is 30 rupees. Now they are asking what is the cost of 100 liters of milk. How much money he gets per day? That means for one day, by selling 100 liters of milk, how much money he is getting every day? They are asking. Now we will find the solution. Milk vendor supplies. Milk vendor supplies milk in the evening in the first morning. Morning he is supplying 56 liters of milk. Evening he is supplying 44 liters of milk in the evening. Daily he is supplying SUPPLY, I am supplying 100 liters of milk. How did you get 100? That means by adding 56 plus 44 we will get 100. 56 plus 44 it gives 100 liters. Then the cost of, if the milk costs rupees 30 per liter, the cost of 1 liter milk is 1 liter milk is equal rupees 30. Then we have to find for the cost of liters of milk, then the cost of 100 liters of milk is equal. The cost of 100 liters of milk is equal. See, for 1 liter 30 rupees. Daily he is supplying 100 liters. So 100 into 30 it gives rupees 3000. That means by selling 100 liters of milk, daily he is earning 3000 rupees. How much money he gets daily? Daily he is getting 3000 rupees. Understand? Then next question is also our problem. Chandana. Next question, 7th one. Chandana and Venu purchased 12 notebooks and 10 notebooks respectively. That means Chandana she purchased 12 notebooks, Venu he purchased 10 notebooks. The cost of each notebook is 15 rupees 15. Then how much amount should they pay to the shopkeeper? Chandana she purchased 12 notebooks, Venu he purchased 10 notebooks. Then the cost of one notebook is 15 rupees. Then how much money they has to pay to the shopkeeper? Now they are asking. Now we have to find how much total money they has to pay to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper ki మొత్తం ఎన్ని డబ్బులు పే చేయాలి? Now we will find the solution first. Chandana she purchased 12 notebooks. Next, Venu purchased means కొనడం నాన్న. Purchased 10 notebooks. Next, we have to find total notebooks, total number of notebooks. Purchased by Chandana and Venu is equal to Venu is 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 is equal to 32. 32 notebooks. Plus 10 is equal to 32. They both notebooks. They both purchased 32 notebooks. Then what is the cost of one notebook? The cost of one notebook is equal. The cost of one notebook is equal to. The cost of one notebook is 15 rupees. Then we have to find for what is the cost of 32 notebooks. Then the cost of 32 notebooks is equal to then 32 into the cost of one notebook is 15 rupees. Now we have to multiply. Then we will write here 32 into 15 it gives 5 2s are 10, 1 0 here, 1 becomes carry, 5 3s are 15, 15 1 plus 1 16. Next 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 0 8 4. Then 32 into 15 it gives 480 rupees. That means they has to pay 480 rupees to the shopkeeper. Please match the following. 1991 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 1991. It is commutative property under addition. Commutative property under addition, because here we have addition symbol. Commutative property under addition. If you add any two numbers, by changing the numbers also the sum will never change. Then it is commutative property of multiplication, because here we have multiplication symbol. Commutative under multiplication E. Next, one is called additive identity or multiplicative identity. One is called multiplicative identity D. Next, 0 is called additive identity. Next, it is, if we have three numbers, then I said already that is distributive property. So last one, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Match the following has completed. Then complete that. Next, exercise 2.2 has completed. Next we have exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Now study the pattern first. Exercise 2.2 has completed. Next, exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3 we have 5 problems. only we'll complete that. Then if we complete that, then second chapter will complete. In our next class, we will learn next third chapter. Exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, first question is study the pattern. Study the pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Then 1 into 8 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. They have given directly. 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. Next 12 into 8 plus 2. 12 8 are 96, 96 plus 2 98. Next 123 into 8 plus 3, that gives 123 into 8, that is 984. 984 plus 3 987. They have given 2 more up to 5. They have given like this: 123 into 8 into 8 into 123 into 8 plus 4, that is 9876. 1 2 3, here we have 4 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 9 8 7 6 5. Question not completed. Write the next 4 steps. Can you find out how many patterns works? Write the next 4 steps. First question. Write the next 4 steps. Can you find out how the pattern works? Can you find out how the pattern works? Pattern works. Now, here I will write the solution. Before going to write the solution, first of all, see the question. 1 into 8. 1 8 are 8. 8 plus 1 9. See, after 1 here we will get 2. 8 is never changing. 8, that is like that only. 8. They are writing like that only. But here 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Here only the numbers are changing. Here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Here also the numbers are changing. Now observe here. Here we got only 9. Then here 9 8 and 8 9 7 8 9 6 7 8 9 5 6 7 8 9. Then next 4 steps means what you have to increase here? Solution 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we got up to 5. 6 into 8 plus here we got up to 5. So you have to write 6. Then that gives 9 8 7 6 5 4. Okay, that means 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next, they are asked to write 4 steps. One has completed. Next one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 8 plus after 6 the next number is 7. So we have to write. We'll get 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. Next, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 8 plus after 7 the next number is 8. Then it gives 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. 3 steps has completed. More one we have to write. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 into 8 plus 9 is equal 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. See what you have observed here. See, here the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Left to right, so right to left. But here the numbers are right to left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is a pattern. So can you find out the pattern, how the pattern works? Can you find how the pattern works? The pattern will be like this. Next, second question is study the pattern. Second question is study the pattern. is equal to 1001. Next, 91 into 11 into 2 is equal to 2002. 91 into 11 into 3 is equal to 3003. That means by multiplying 91 into 11 into 1 you will get this answer. By multiplying 91 into 11 into 2 you will get this one. By multiplying 91 into 11 into 3 you will get like this one. This is the pattern. Then write next 7 steps whether the result is correct. 7 steps. Check whether whether the result is correct. The result is correct. That means we have to write the next 7 steps and we have to find either that what they have given. That means the final result is correct or not. We have to check. How to check? By multiplying one number we will find this local number ni find out the remaining allow sale. Then first of all we will find the next 7 steps. Solution 91 into 11 into 4 is equal to 4004. Like this only we have to write. 91 into 11 into 5 is equal to 5005. 91 into 11 into 6 is equal to 6006. 91 into 11 into 7 is equal to 7007. Next, 91 into 11 into 8 is equal to 8008. 91 into 11 into 9 is equal to 9009. Next, 91 into 10 into 11 into 10 is equal to 10 0 0 10. 10 0 0 10. These are the next 7 patterns. Now write next 7 steps. Next 7 steps are like this. That means 91 will be like that only, 11 will be like that only. Simply have to increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. That one you have to change. Write next 7 steps. 7 steps has completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, check whether the result is correct or not. We have to check. For which one we multiply? We check for this one. Either 91 into 11 into 1 correct or not. 91 into 11. 1 ones are 1, 1 nines are 9. 1 ones are 1, 1 nines are 9. 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here 1 becomes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. Next we will check for 91 into 11 into 2. 91 into 11 we got 1001. 1001 into 2 it gives 2002. So the result is correct only. The result is correct only. Next, try the pattern for 143 into next question. Try the pattern for the second question only. They have given 2 questions. In second one, we have 2 questions. First one has completed. Now second one. Try the pattern for. Try the pattern for. Pattern for 143 into 7 into 1. 143 into 7 into 2. Then try here. We will write 5 steps. 143 into 7 into 1 is equal to, we will multiply and we will write. 143 into 7 it gives 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 30. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 10. We got 1001. Next, 143 into 7 into 2. 143 into 7 we got 1001. 1001 into 2, 2002. Next, 143 into 7 into 3. 143 into 7 we got 1001. 1001 into 3 gives 3003. Next, 143 into 7 7 into 4. 143 into 7 is 1001. 1001 into 4 is 4004. Next, 143 into 7 into 5. 143 into 7 is 1001. 1001 into 5 is 5005. That means here 91 into 11 into 1 and 143 into 7 into 1. Both are same patterns. That's why they asked to try. Simply they asked to try. We have proved here. Second solution has completed. Next, third one. How would you multiply? Third one. If we completed third one, then exercise 2.3 we completed. Then second chapter also completed. In our next class we will learn new chapter, third chapter. Playing with numbers, next chapter, third question. How would we multiply? We multiply the numbers 13680347357 35702369 and 25692359 with 9 mentally. What is the pattern that emerges? What is the pattern that emerges? GPS emerges. Now, last third question. How would we multiply the numbers 136803447, 35702369 and 25692359 with 9 mentally? That means we have to multiply these numbers with 9 by mentally, means without calculation. Without calculation we have to say. Now they are asking how to say by using without calculation. With mentally, what is the pattern? If you multiply these numbers with mentally, then what is the pattern? In the second problem, first problem question eట్లాంటి pattern possible అవుతుందో అడుగుతున్నారు. Now see solution. First, given numbers are 136803447, 35702369 and 25692359. These are the numbers they are given, and they are asking these numbers to multiply with 9. So first we will take this number. First number 136803447 into 9. They are asking to multiply with 9, so we have to multiply with 9. Instead of multiplying with 9, other way to multiply with 9 is they are asking to try the pattern now, so we will find the answer by pattern. Pattern laga find out cheyalem kada, so మనం pattern laga find out cheyadam. How to find by pattern means, now see here 136803447 136803447 into 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, that is also 9. 10 minus 1 is also 9. So multiply this number with 0 first and then multiply this number with 10 and multiply the same number with minus 1. So 136803447 into 10 minus 136803447 into 1. In the middle we have minus, so I have written minus. We have to multiply this number with 10. I have multiplied with 10. Next, 136803447 multiply with 10, multiply with 100. We have learned already. If you have 1 0, then we will get more 1 0 in the answer. Minus 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get same number as answer. Multiplicative identity. 1 is called multiplicative identity. And we have learned in the properties. Multiplicative identity. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get same number as answer. Here also, if you multiply this number with 1, you will get the same number as answer. So I have written here the same number as answer. In between these two numbers, we have subtraction symbol. So subtract. 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7, 0. From we have multiplied 7, 4, 3, 0, 8, 6, 3, 1. Then do subtraction. 0 minus 7 not possible. Then take borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 3 minus 0 is 3. Next, 0 minus 8 not possible. If that is not possible, then what you have to do? You have to take borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. It is 1. So, here the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Understand? You have to do like this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So for remaining two numbers also you have to find like this only and send the solution to me. Like this you have to find the solutions and you have to send. Have you understood? What is the pattern that emerges and this pattern will emerges for that numbers. Here also we have to multiply the same number with 9 and otherwise we will find here. So 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4. For this number also you have to write 10 minus 1. For that number also you have to write 10 minus 1. You have to multiply and find the solution. You will get different types of patterns. So first number has completed. Second and third numbers you have to find and you have to send the solutions to me. If you have any doubt, ask to me. So exercise 2.3 has completed. In our next class we will go for chapter 3. Okay, complete your homeworks up to here.